My name is Jenny, and I'm your mentor for the course Introduction to Classical Archaeology. I have studied classical archaeology for my bachelor's and master's degree at the University of Hamburg, Germany. My research mostly focuses on Greek art and architecture, but I have also conducted fieldwork on Roman sites in Italy. I have recently submitted my PhD thesis at the University of Oxford. My PhD project deals with pottery technology in prehistoric China. I have decided to go into archaeological science and learn pottery analysis. The great thing about scientific methods in archaeology is that you can switch between time periods and geographical areas and work with different objects at different places. Feel free to contact me at my email if you have any questions about the course or archaeology in general. I'm always happy to help. Enjoy the course and good luck!